I first noticed that I was losing my hair in the early 40s. I noticed that it was thinning to the point where it was starting to be concerning. It was quite a few years before I decided to finally pull the trigger and said, okay, this is what I need done. And working in the public, I did not like the way I was presenting myself. I chose Apollo for many reasons. My initial contact, speaking with my hair designer, she came across warm and sincere that made me feel extremely comfortable. The thing that solidified why I chose Apollo is when I was in the consultation, their primary concern was my overall happiness. I was ecstatic the day that I first had my hair. It exceeded my expectations that has allowed me to be extremely pleased at how I feel about myself and how I look when I look in the